Welcome back to the AutoLooks Tidbits Show. I am your host, as always, the doctor to the automotive industry, Mr. Everett J, talking to you today about the future of intercity travel. Yes, intercity travel is going to be something that's going to change in the future. People are owning less and less vehicles within the confines of major urban centers. We've all known it. People, for instance, living in New York City are less likely to buy an automobile than people living in suburban areas outside of Los Angeles. Even though congestion is crazy, intercity travel is going to be changing in the future. Now, companies like Cruise with their autonomous vehicles, Volocopter with basically its copter services, and even Tesla with their Boring Company and their tunnel services are all changing the likes of intercity travel. We're not just saying that automobiles are going to disappear, but automobiles are going to start to disappear from the inner workings of major metropolitan areas, with governments pushing them out, like as we've all seen in the downtown core of London, England. Cars are no longer welcome. You now pay a tax to get in there. Companies like Cruise, London Electric Vehicle, Volocopter, they're all moving in to take a stand and say, we want to be the companies of the future. We want to bring you everywhere. We want to be those shuttles. We know that people still want to get out of their house and go somewhere. So why not ride hail an autonomous vehicle to bring you and your friends down to the bar at 11 o'clock at night? Or going to get some groceries in the middle of the day. You don't need a vehicle. You just need dedicated travel systems. And in the future, there's going to be many different options for them, whether it be its pod, single-use vehicles, electrified bikes, or flying cars.